The shortest war in history was between Britain and Zanzibar on August 27, 1896. Zanzibar surrendered after just 38 minutes. The human nose can detect over 1 trillion different scents. The only letter that does not appear in the periodic table is the letter J. The world's largest snowflake on record was 15 inches in diameter and 8 inches thick, and it fell in Montana in 1887. The world's oldest non-living tree is a Bristol cone pine in the White Mountains of California, estimated to be over 5,000 years old. The world's tallest mammal is the giraffe, which can grow up to 18 feet tall. The world's largest volcano is Mauna Loa, located in Hawaii. It is also one of the ninth most active volcanoes in the world. The world's largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean, which covers an area of about 63.8 million square miles.